Craving a fresh, protein-rich salad recipe? What about a lemony shrimp, avocado, and tomato salad that's not just nutritious, but also a feast for the eyes? This super fresh tasting chopped salad strikes the perfect balance between protein and healthy fats, ensuring satisfaction for hours. The recipe starts with a pound of raw shrimp, peeled and deveined. Heat a tablespoon of avocado or olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp and a couple of minced garlic cloves. The shrimp only needs to cook for 3 to 4 minutes, just until it turns pink and loses its translucency. Once cooked, season the shrimp with sea salt and fresh ground black pepper to taste, then remove from heat. The cooked shrimp is then added to a large bowl, along with 8 ounces of mixed cherry tomatoes, ideally in a mix of colors for that beautiful touch. Joining the party next are 2 large diced avocados, a sliced green chili, and a good handful of fresh cilantro or flat-leaf parsley leaves, chopped. The salad then gets a drizzle of the remaining tablespoon of oil and a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice, along with the zest of that same lemon. With a gentle toss, the ingredients combine to form a vibrant and delectable salad. Adjust the seasonings to your taste and voila, there you have it. A salad that's as pleasing to the palate as it is to the eyes. Although this salad is best enjoyed within a few hours of preparation, it can stay fresh in the fridge for a day or 2. So whether you're planning your next party or just looking for a quick healthy meal, consider this lemony shrimp, avocado and tomato salad. It's not just a salad, it's a celebration of fresh flavors and textures, all in one bowl. Enjoy!